Today, the entire industries thrive on trafficking in persons, and others thrive on selling the problem of trafficking in persons.
According to the International Labour Organization, Africa contains 29.9% of the world's modern slavery, 13.7% of the world's forced labor, and 37.7% of the world's forced marriages. NGOs were created in 1945 to address challenging social issues like TIP.
The current NGO model has been openly challenged by some who question its viability in solving problems. In Ghana, there are numerous NGOs addressing trafficking in persons. They are a major source of jobs and a desired career.
I set up my own international NGO to address this problem, but became overwhelmed by the lack of progress. I wanted to do something about fixing the problem.
After reviewing published research and other secondary data sources, we collected initial primary research through 19 interviews with individuals directly involved with NGOs in Ghana. We found 6 main gaps, which include structure, inertia, lack of communication, collaboration, redundancy, longevity, and the lack of measurable outcomes.
Because NGOs run as businesses, the funds they receive are diluted throughout each organizational layer, leaving who knows how much to go towards helping people.
An individual mentioned during an interview,
"It's all about making money and not doing something."
various NGOs' infrastructures are continually being built, although inactivity trends through these organizations. Some organizations successfully partner together, while others do not. NGOs intentionally try to gain access to more funds, accolades, and bigger growth through harboring information. Why would they want to share information if it means a loss in profit?
What I see is business. What I see is people who want wealth.
Because of inertia and communication challenges, there is a great deal of overlap in both costs to set up an NGO as well as duplication of those efforts.
There is also a conflict of interest between managers and donors. The NGO manager incentives may not be aligned with the donors and/or solving the problem.
Most of the NGOs are not really prepared. They go directly for financial resources, but they don't have the adequate people.
The lack of systematic data collection hindered efforts to monitor, analyze, and report on anti-trafficking efforts.
The way NGOs are operating is currently broken. There's a need to reevaluate the effectiveness of NGOs in Ghana and around the world.